morning, good evening, and good afternoon guys. I'm back again. Hindi na ako magpapakilala. Because this is secret account. Even though it's public. Parang ano na. I'm feeling so sorry for now. Dami kong ginawa. Lang pala yung ginawa ko. So ngayon, I'm gonna discuss about 12 fallacies about philosophy. Actually, this channel is about review ko lang yung sarili ko, hindi kayo. Kaya bahala na rin kayo. So, what do you know about fallacy? So, fallacy are arguments that are erroneous and incorrect or based from faulty reasoning. So, nakabase lang siya sa faulty reasoning. So there are 12 fallacy. First one is argumentum ad hominem. So hominem came from the Latin word homo, which means man. So this fallacy is literally below the belt. So instead of focusing on the issue at hand, so below the belt, so parang sobrahan, like basta common sense na dun sa below the belt, kaya niyo yun. I'm just a student teaching myself kasi nag-iisa lang ako. Yeah. So one example of this is how can we believe him when he talks about social distancing? He is a lawyer who is known a liar. So, below the belt yun, masasaktan ka nun. Diba? So, next fallacy is argumentum ad baculum. Baculum came from the Latin word scepter and stick, which means scepter is about authority or a symbol of authority. Okay? Gets niyo ba yun? Medyo malabo kasi, sorry guys. Sorry to myself kasi ako lang malamit dito. So today is August 27 yata. August 27, 2024. So, one example of argumentum ad baculum is the TV Patrol is the best news program on TV. If you don't believe me, don't watch it. Kung hindi ka maniniwala sa akin, huwag kang manood. Ganun yun. Okay, gets? Next is about argumentum ad misericordiam. Misericordiam came from the Latin word misericordia, okay, which means pity or compassion, like a feeling to pity, nagmamakaawa ka. I remember when Ma'am Jubel as I volunteer as doctor of this argumentum. Yeah, that was so fantastic. It was so happy. So only the example is, forgive me officer, there are a lot of voters in this department, including myself. Okay? Only the owner was issued a quarantine pass. We don't have food. We can give our ATM to the owner. That's why I went out, so I did not violate the Bayanihan Act Hill as well. Next is argumentum ad populum. Populum. P-O-P-U-L-U-M. That is populum. So what does means by populum? Populum is the Latin word for people, para sa mga tao. So, Fabulum is appeal to people. Yeah, appeal to people. And most of TV commercials are guilty of this which exploit people's vanity, desires, and etc. Like, kung ano yung popular, sumunod ka. Ganun yun. Like, if may iPhone yung mga kasama mo sa school, dapat mag-iPhone ka din. Yun yung mindset ng popular. Gets? Okay? Next naman tayo is argumentum ad traditions. Argumentum ad traditions, feel to traditions. Traditio means traditions. Okay? Advancing an idea since it has been practiced for a long time. Pinapractice na to for a long time, like history. That is traditions. Or like, for example, all of us in the family from our ancestors up to now are devout Catholics, so it was only right that you will be baptized as Catholic. Gets niyo ba yun? Ika-anim is argumentum ad ignorantiam. Ignorantiam, Latin word for ignorance. Whatever has been proven false must be true, and vice versa. So, binabaliktad niyo yung false into a true. That is ignorance. So, according to for example, according to Zecharia Sitchin, hirap naman basahin ang pangalan ito. The author of the book Cosmic Code, Adam was the first test tube baby. Since nobody proves otherwise, therefore it is true. So, porket wala lang nakapagpa-prove na mali, therefore consider na siyang true. Doon naman tayo sa Petitio Principe. So, ikapito na to. Petitio Principe is begging the questions. According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, it is a fallacy in which a conclusion is taken for granted in the premises, also called circular argument. For example, is implies therefore we know that God exists. Doon naman tayo sa ikawalo, hasty generalizations. The fallacy is committed when one reaches a generalizations based on insufficient evidence. Like, kung nakagawa ng mali yung kapitbahay mo, madadamay ka doon, matidismiss ka. Like, grabe naman yung kapitbahay nila Aling Martes ay nagdudroga. This means that sila Martes ay nagdudroga din. Ganun yun. Ganun yung mindset ng hasty generalizations. Okay? Gets? Cause and effect. Ikasyam. Assuming that effect is related to a cause, because both events occur one after the other. Okay, cause and effect. For example, my teacher didn't collect the homework 2 weeks in a row when my friend was absent. Therefore, my friend being absent is the reason why my teacher doesn't collect the homework. So that is the cause and effect. Sorry guys, I'm sleepy guys kasi I'm tired. Pero I made this video for myself. Okay. Next is fallacy compositions. In first that something is true of a part is a true of a whole. So sa ika-11, fallacy of divisions in terms of true of a whole is a true of a part. Parang dun sa fallacy of composition is kung ano ka, ganun din yung pamilya mo. Okay? So, in the divisions naman, kung ano yung pamilya mo, ganun ka rin. Yeah. Then naman tayo sa fallacy equivocations, using the same term in different situations with different meaning. So like, I am William Cipollito Tabas have fits. Therefore, the chair has fits. Mali. Basahin mo na lang. Human walks by their legs. Therefore, the table has legs. Therefore, the table walks by leg. That's all. Kung ang tao nakakapaglakad gamit ang kanilang mga paa, then yung lamisahan may paa rin siya. So yung lamisahan, yung mesa ay nakakapaglakad din kasi may paa siya. Ganun yun. Tinagalog ko lang para mas maintindihan na nyo. Okay.